notebook editor.
Yes, ma'am.
Later, before we could draw the single line diagram, configure the database. So click on database, configure, then click on the browse, give the database name, open, then click on the connect, otherwise GUI will not be connected to the database. Then click on OK. Now you can see the general information tab, voltage levels, electrical and currency information, breaker ratings. Need not change any values, just click OK. Now before we could draw anything, we have to draw the buses. So select the bus and in this select 11 kV. Now just click once and drag it, release this, give OK. Now save this, again draw one more bus, again give OK, save this, draw the third bus and then OK, save it. Now we are drawn with the buses, so right click to deselect. Now select the transmission line. So we need to draw the transmission line between two buses, which should be a straight line. So select the orthogonal mode. Now click in between the two buses where you want to connect the transmission line. Double click on the from bus, then to bus, give OK. Now select a structure reference number, then go to transmission library, enter the line data as per the data 0.02 and 0.04. Thermal rating, it should be fixed as 100. Then save this. Again close the window and then enter the derated MVA as 100. Rating 100, rating 200, then save it. Again we need to draw two more transmission lines. So second line connects from 1 to 3. So click at bus 1. Then if you click once, you can break the line, come down, then give OK. And then select the different library because the data is different. So I'll select 2 Weasel. Then go to transmission line library. Now you have the positive sequence resistance different data as 0.01 and 0.03 and then thermal rating 100. Then save this, close this, then derated MVA 100, here also 100. Okay, now save it. Again select transmission line. From bus is 2. Again click once, come down, connect to bus 3. Okay. Now go to again one more library because it is having a different data. So 3 squirrel transmission line library. Then positive sequence reactance 0.0125, 0.025 as reactance. Then thermal rating 100. Save it, close it. Again enter the derated MVA as 100, 100, 100. Save this. Okay, we are drawn with the transmission line now. Let's go for the load. Select the load. So this load is in the required direction. So place it directly on bus 2. Give OK. So load doesn't contain any library. So directly enter the value. Real power in megawatt given is 400. And reactive power is 250. After typing 250, press tab. Press tab. Okay, the power factor will pop up automatically. Now save it. Now we'll draw the generator. Select generator. So if you see the generator, it is having a different direction. So rotate twice so that you get the required direction and place it on the generator 1. Then give OK. Now you get this generator data. Here also you do have a library. So select the manufacturer reference number. So in choosing a manufacturer reference number, you have to choose a higher rating other than the other generator. So it is a 200 megawatt generator. So here you have to choose a slack bus generator which is more than 200 megawatts. Say I choose it as 250 megawatts. Go to library and then see the required MVA rating is 1000. The calculated value 800 megawatt. Then save it. Then again close it. Again come to specified voltage here. Specified voltage is 1.05. 1.05. So derated MVA, you should enter it as 1000. Scheduled power 800. Then real power is 800. Again reactive power 600. So then save this. We are drawn with the slack bus generator. So first deselect this. Again select one more generator and again you have to place it correctly on the bus 3. So you need to rotate 270 degrees. Now place this. Okay. Now again here we need to select the library which is equal to 200 megawatts. So chosen 210. Now MVA rating for this is 250. 200 megawatt. Now save this. Again close this library. Again type the specified voltage 1.04. And then derated MVA is 250. Here megawatt is 200.
150.
And then real power maximum is 200. Reactive power maximum is 150. Okay, save this. Here we are drawn with the single line diagram. Now for this single line diagram we are going to perform load flow analysis. So for that go to solve, click on load flow analysis. Here we need to choose different methods, Gauss, Siedel, NR method and fast decouple. So click on study information. Now you have 3 methods here option. Let us first go for Gauss Siedel method. Here the acceleration factor should be specified. By default it is 1.6. If the external asks you some other value, you can change it and make the thing. Then here come to slack bus. So which is a slack bus in our system? It is bus 1. It is chosen. And then we have in print option we have got 4 options: results only, data and results, detailed results. If we want to go for the Jacobian matrix, then we have to choose detailed results with data. If we need only data what we have entered and results, we will go for data and results. If we need only results to be displayed, we will go for results. So right now I will choose for data and results, then give OK. After that execute, then click on the report. In the report you can check out whether you have entered the same data correctly or not. So we observe here transmission line data, it is the same value what we entered. Then the generator data, okay, and the load data. Now our result is, we have to write down the line flows and line losses, okay, this table. And then come down, you have to write down megawatt generated MVAR till MVAR loss. Okay, so this is our result. So now this one we are done with Gauss Siedel method. Similar way you can repeat the steps for NR method, fast decoupled also.
For Newton Raption.